Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings. My name is Siti Zhahira from 11 Science 6. In this video, I will show you how to make a lock screen like this. The app that I'll be using in this video is PixArt. You can simply download it from App Store. Okay, now let's straight to the video. First, open PixArt and click the plus button. Then choose Freestyle. The app will proceed to Gallery. Click the photos you want to edit. There's a maximum of 10 photos here, so make sure the photos you want to add are more than that. After you're done, click Next and it will take you to the studio. The first thing to do here is to adjust the ratio. Next, because we are going to combine them, we need to start cutouting every photo. I know this part may seem tiresome, but in order to make it look good, it's necessary to do it neatly. After that, arrange them in the order you want and make them look harmonious together. Add some stickers to decorate it. This part is optional, so feel free to skip it. Then pick the background color. Don't forget to do double checking, like erasing some parts or readjusting the size. After you're finished, click the right arrow button. Last but not least, add a filter. The right filter will make your edit looks better. After that, save it to your gallery. Now, click the edit that you just made and set it as your lock screen. And voila! Look at that beautiful lock screen you just made. It's pretty easy, right? And that marks the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.